It's so frustrating to have watched deer all summer long. The deer that I'm hunting, and to have so many photos of them. To have them so patterned, and then come out here and spend days in the woods and not see a thing. This is what discourages a lot of people.
What's a Chad? Not only attractive, but like a 7.5 out of 10. Tall and muscular. A man who elicits raw sexual attraction from girls right away through looks. Girls don't play games with or flake on Chad because they know he can instantly replace them.
Let's check these things out.
This is from the 11th.
The mangle?
Mm-hmm.
That's him right there?
Yeah.
Looks different.
There's a bunch of videos.
Dude, that's really not that. That's only like an hour past shooting light.
I know. That's why I was getting anxious or hopeful. That's Chad.
But dude, that's like an hour before shooting light too. Like,
That's what I'm saying.
we got a good chance.
Well, let's see what
just
happened.
the right
Let's
moon
see
will
what
do it.
happened last night.
Do you need a shower?
Yeah, look at that moon.
Yeah, the right moon will do it for us, I think. It's funny that they're still hanging out though. I think I just killed Chad. So it looks like I got him on camera. I'm not even gonna recock my gun, I'm done. Yes! Yes! Mangle wasn't with him. I wonder where Mangle's at. Did someone kill Mangle? I don't know. So, I got my crossbow unloaded. I'm gonna lower that down. We're gonna get down, go look for Chad. And if I can't find him, we're gonna get my dog in. She'll take us right to him. But he's gotta be dead, I'm telling you. These broadheads do some damage, man. That crossbow comes out fast. Let's go. Easy. Easy. Easy, Lily. Easy, Lily. Oh, I opened them. Big body.
Yeah. Well, that's going to be a bitch to get at.
Yeah, that's Chad. You can tell by that curly antler. So it's about an hour later. It is Chad that I ended up killing. It was a good afternoon hunt. He came in by himself, still without Mangle. Came right in and started to turn around. I think he probably winded me. Knew I was in the area, didn't know exactly where I was, but I stuck the crossbow in him right before he decided to leave. First buck of the season, so we're gonna get him cut up now. So in the excitement of killing Chad, when I was dragging him out of the woods, I didn't grab the arrow from over where I found his body. This is 2 days later. It is Wednesday, and I killed him on Monday. So we're gonna go back here and walk the trail where I shot him and to where we found his body and retrieve the arrow. Bingo. There's the fletching. So glad to have found the fletching and the arrow and the broadhead. That was my first bow kill. Not gonna get Chad shoulder mounted because he's not as big as he looked like on camera. He looked bigger in his trail cam photos. I think his velvet, got me a little overhyped. But I still glad that I made the decision to kill him. First bow kill, still would have shot him. Still a respectable buck, and I'll definitely incorporate this right here into the Euro mount.